Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal and Adab. I am an old and ardent fan of hockey, and it gives me immense joy and satisfaction to have the opportunity to address all of you for the opening ceremony of the inaugural World Series Hockey League. There is something magical about hockey that strikes an emotional chord with all us Indians. The legacy and tradition of our national sports is and will always be a matter of great pride to us all Indians. We have many great sports persons in India and we have achieved laurels in many disciplines. But hockey will always have a special place in our heart. हॉकी हमारे दिल की धड़कन है और यह रिश्ता कभी नहीं टूटेगा. Much before India became independent, our hockey team brought laurels to the country by winning gold medals in the Olympic Games. The Indian tricolour was unfurled without any fear on foreign shores from 1928 to 1936 at 3 Olympics, thanks to our hockey heroes. Hockey is the only sport that we have won as Indians 8 Olympic gold medals. This is a record in the Olympic Games. If Brazil produced Pele and Australia had Don Bradman, then India gave to the world Dhyan Chand, who was regarded as Jadugar of hockey. Today, the Major Dhyan Chand National Stadium in Delhi, which is the creation of the Sports Ministry, is recognized as the best hockey stadium in the world. We have state-of-the-art AstroTurf, floodlight and practice facilities for the players in a heritage complex which is a unique feature in the world. India has produced many brilliant hockey players, starting from the great Dhyan Chand, Jaipal Singh, who was the first Adivasi captain of the Indian team in the 1928 Olympics, K.D. Singh Babu, Roop Singh, Balbir Singh Senior, Leslie Claudius, Ashok Kumar, Mohammad Shahid, Zafar Iqbal, Dhanraj Pillai and many other such stars. We may have lost ground for some time, but that is part and parcel of sports and life. The good news is that hockey is regaining ground, and I am very happy that the World Series hockey is being held in India. No sport can survive without the support of the people, and for that hockey needs to be taken to our youth and masses. Sports need sponsors and entertainment to become popular. And it's very heartening that the World Series hockey is taking care of all these issues. Today, no country has as many world-class hockey stadiums as India has. It gives me great pride to see as many as 8 world-class floodlight hockey stadiums in different styles of hockey in vogue. India is a country that cares for traditions as much as it is also open to new ideas and changes to match the best in the world. I have no doubt that the new innovations and practice will be welcomed by our hockey fraternity and the fans alike. Due to some extremely important reasons, I may not be physically present in Chandigarh, but my heart and mind will always be with the hockey lovers and the sport. I am confident that the World Series hockey will make hockey a craze amongst millions of youngsters in the country, and Indian hockey will soon regain its glorious position. I join my fellow Indians in wishing all the participating players, technical officials and all those related to organizing the World Series hockey a great success. Without further ado, I would like to welcome all my fellow countrymen and the hockey fans from the world over to the first ever Bridgestone World Series Hockey. Chak De, Jai Hind.